everyone, it's Kecia with thecarseatpros.com. This is going to be a quick video comparison of the Doona versus the Evenflo Shyft DualRide. So clearly these are both car seat stroller combinations. This new type of car seat and stroller combination has been wildly popular for the last couple years, and now we have two very similar but very different options, and we wanted to sort of talk you through it, tell you what's similar and what's different about Doona and Shyft DualRide. So Doona specs 4 to 35 pounds at the moment. It will backtrack at some point to 30 pounds just to come in line with updated federal standards, but at the moment it's still 4 to 35 pounds up to 32 inches. Shyft DualRide is 4 to 30 pounds and up to 32 inches. The newest versions are compliant with the side impact standard, right? And that's kind of where the similarities end, besides the fact that they are both obviously car seat and stroller combinations. So with Shyft DualRide, we have some unique features that you don't find on Doona. And one of the biggest ones is the ability to detach just the carrier from what they call the chassis when you dock the car seat into its base. So you fold it, you put it into its base, and now you are able to grab the upper release lever and lift just the lightweight portion of the carrier off of the base, leaving the chassis and the wheels folded up inside your base, right? So now if you're just walking into the house, you can carry something lightweight with your baby in it. Because the reality is that both of these products are very heavy. I believe Doona is about 17 pounds and a Shyft DualRide is closer to 20, right? So this is 17 or 20 pounds without the weight of your baby. As your baby gets heavier, it's going to get harder for you to lift and carry and maneuver these products into your vehicle or into a taxi. And so the ability, at least when it's convenient to do so, to just leave the chassis with the wheels folded up inside the base and just take the baby in the carrier inside the house is incredibly convenient, and that's a feature that you will not find on Doona. Other features is you have a no rethread harness on Shyft DualRide, where you have more of an old school 4-position manual rethread of the harness heights when your baby grows on Doona. Shyft DualRide also comes with sensor safe technology in the chest clip. So it's basically a smart chest clip, pairs with an app on your phone, and it can tell you things if the vehicle is too hot or too cold. It can tell you if your child unbuckles the chest clip, and God forbid, it can tell you if your child has been left behind in the vehicle and someone is not answering the alerts that it sends to the phone. On the other hand, Doona has the Sense Alert pad, right, which is a separate accessory, doesn't come with the seat, but you can buy it and you can use it in your Doona, and it basically does similar things in terms of sensing the child's presence in the car seat. But that is a separate accessory that you will have to buy separately. Speaking of buying things separately, you can buy extra bases for both products. For a long time, the Shyft DualRide did not come with extra bases, but that changed in 2025. So now you can buy an accessory base for your Shyft DualRide if that is something that you desire. So let's take a minute to look at the different bases, right? So we have Doona base on this end, which is definitely more of an old school design. It has these things over here that look like lock-offs, but you definitely still need to lock the seatbelt at the retractor, even after using that. For your shoulder belt, the height adjustment for the recline is this knob here. And then we have the Shyft DualRide base, which has this belt lock system, but is actually not a lock off. So really neither one of these products have a true lock off. You still need to lock the seatbelt at the retractor when you're installing the Shyft DualRide base. However, this feature here is a tensioning device, so it's going to help you get a tight install with your seatbelt or your latch strap. We also have these optional wheel wells, right? You can detach them if you don't want them, but they come with your seat, and it's basically because now you're putting potentially dirty, wet, muddy stroller wheels in your vehicle. Now the wheels are going to sit right in the guards and it's going to catch any drippy, dirty mess. So that is a nice feature that you're only going to find on Shyft DualRide. I do want to mention briefly about the installation with both of these seats without the base, right? Because both Doona and Shyft DualRide can be installed without their bases. So if you're traveling or if you're an urban parent who doesn't have a car and is using ride shares and taxis, then a base doesn't really make sense for you. The Doona and DualRide can both be installed using European belt path routing without the base. The difference is that Shyft DualRide mandates that you take the rear wheels off the axle and then you store them in a location underneath the base. That is an extra step. It is definitely not the most convenient thing to do, and you're going to have to do it likely with your baby in the seat. So I just did want to mention that because I know that a lot of people are using the products without the base. You can note as they were lined up against each other that the handle on Shyft DualRide is a few inches taller. Right? I'm short, I'm 5'4", either one of these is fine for me, but if you have a parent or a caregiver who's 6 foot or taller, they will probably find the taller handle of the Shyft DualRide to be a little bit more comfortable. Again, both seats are heavy. That's probably the biggest con of these products, is that they just weigh a lot when they have the wheels attached. And so the lifting as your baby gets heavier is maybe something that you find to be more challenging as your baby gets older and heavier. We have more information and a complete comparison of both the Doona and the Shyft DualRide on our website, thecarseatpros.com. I'm going to put a link in the description. Check it out. If you like the content, follow us for more information. Thanks.